Happy Veterans Day, guys. Crazy. It was 74 degrees yesterday, and today it's 34. Gotta love Illinois. Messing around, spending my Veterans Day getting some work done. Hey, don't forget, guys, I still do late model maintenance and light repair. Putting some rear shocks on this 2017 Malibu and have to replace a washer pump motor. You guys, we haven't really talked too much about the Ford here, but we're going to have some fun with it. We were going to put power steering on it, get it running right. It wasn't running all that good, so we're going to mess with the timing and the carburetor a little bit, and I think we're going to put a floor shifter in it. Right now it's 3 on the tree up there, so we'll do a walkthrough of it eventually. Finally got my Timken bearings in, so I can press those in to the Corvette trailing arms right here. So that's exciting. Making progress on that. The cylinder heads for the motor for the Camaro went to the machine shop last night. So I'm pretty excited about that. We'll see what happens when we get those back. Hoping it doesn't end up taking too much work and costing more than what a new set of heads would cost. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to touch base, and I'm hopefully going to be filming some videos today and getting some stuff done and out of here. But I wanted to say, really, really important to me today. Actually, let me see if I can spin this camera around. Today's a really important day for me, being that it's Veterans Day. I just want to say thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to all of America's veterans. Thanks for everything you've done for us. Thanks for everything you continue to do. You are the steadfast rock of the nation, and we appreciate it so much. So thank you for that. Happy Veterans Day. I hope you have a great day. Unfortunately, at least in Illinois, because everything's shut down, you can't have free Arby's. Bummer, but whatever. You'll be all right. Go find a place that'll give you a free donut or something. But anyway, thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Happy Veterans Day, and we'll talk soon.